Complying with government regulations while running a construction site is a major headache, especially when it comes to track-out control. Since conventional rock track-out systems are moderately effective at best, keeping dirt, rock, mud, and debris off roadways and out of stormwater systems can feel like a losing battle. Rock track-outs are wasteful and time-consuming to install. Once installed, they require constant oversight, maintenance, and inspection. The worst part, even with proper installation, old-school trackouts need to be replaced several times throughout the course of a project to remain functional. What's the point of maintaining a trackout if you're still going to get slapped with a government fine? We were fed up with the time and money we wasted on ineffective trackout systems. We knew there had to be a better way. So we created FODs. FOD's trackout mats are made of a crazy durable polymer. Each mat has a crush rating of over 2.8 million pounds and can handle any job you throw at it. FODs can be installed in about 30 minutes over nearly any existing surface with minimal ground prep. Thanks to their effective pyramid design, rocks and mud are removed from vehicle tires and left where they belong, on the job site. FODs are easy to install, easy to clean, and easy to transport. They can be reused across projects to reduce overall costs and are recyclable at the end of their usable life. Save time, save money, and stop mud in its tracks. Get FODs for your modern trackout solution.
PureWall is an engineered wrap-faced vegetated solution for constructing reinforced earth walls and steepened slopes. The system combines the robust protection of PureMat high-performance turf reinforcement mat with fiber composite internal bracing to deliver permanent erosion control and mechanical slope stabilization. PureWall is designed with interlaced bracing for superior material connection and system performance. Made from corrosion and UV-resistant materials, PureWall immediately reinforces soil mass to resist lateral earth pressures for up to 75 years.
Once the wall is installed and wrapped, you have 100% erosion protection while the seeds are germinating and growing up through the fabric. You can also plant materials on the outside, the little short steps. You can cut a hole in this fabric because it's knotted. It doesn't tend to fray. So you can cut small holes and embed rootstock and plants in there. So the idea is to get a vegetated look and still be able to stay within right-of-way.
In addition to offering long-term durability, PureWall is a vegetated solution. It is designed with patented tri-lobal X3 fiber technology to promote rapid root mass development, yielding a fully vegetated installation.
So part of the selection process for this wall was the visual aspects of it and the fact that the project owners wanted to have a vegetated wall, a vegetated face to the wall, and that was one of the aspects that they really liked about this product, is that when the topsoil in the front of the wall and the seeding part of that, and the fact that you can actually implant plantings into the wall, and it will blend in very well with the surrounding vegetation, the wetland in this case.
On-site soil can be used for infill, eliminating the cost and carbon footprint of importing soil. Plus, PureWall can be customized to unique site conditions, and it is easy to transport, making it ideal for sites that are difficult to access. Most importantly, PureWall is more cost-effective than hard armoring options, It eliminates the need for temporary metal bracing or removable forms to improve installation efficiency.
So as far as construction of the wall, it's a little bit different than typical wrap walls where you're taking roll widths and coming back around the side of the wall. Being able to roll out the material the whole length of the wall was really advantageous. It really felt like we're getting good production throughout the day.
Pier wall can be used in the following application: wrapped face mechanically stabilized earth structures, reinforced soil slopes, stream bank stabilization, landslide remediation, vegetated facing for soil nail or ground anchored slope, landscaping enhancements for residential and commercial properties, wing walls for geosynthetic reinforced soil integrated bridge systems. Pier wall can be used by itself up to 8 feet in height. Higher walls can be installed using planar reinforcement with a geogrid or geotextile, and/or soil nailing slopes with pier wall on the face. For more information on how pier wall can benefit your next project, contact Propex Geo Solutions at propexglobal.com. ArmorMax is the most advanced flexible armoring technology available for severe erosion and slope stability challenges. The engineered earth armoring system combines PyraMat 75, a high-performance turf reinforcement mat, with engineered earth anchors to lock soil in place and protect against hydraulic stresses. This video will review the anchor installation process. Each anchor consists of an anchor head, flexible cable tendon, and a load-bearing plate with locking mechanism. Anchors are delivered fully assembled and ready for installation. Propex offers 3 different types of anchors, each made from corrosion-resistant materials to provide mechanical strength and durability. For optimal performance with the greatest risk reduction, it's important to consult with Propex on anchor selection and installation pattern design. Anchor installation is completed in conjunction with ArmorMax laydown. A detailed guide to the ArmorMax laydown process is available in the ArmorMax installation instructions. Prior to installation, ensure you have the following tools: percussion hammer, drive steel, jack-jaw anchor setting tool, and cable cutters. Select the drive steel that is the size and length needed to drive the anchor to the specified embedment depth. Insert the tapered end into the anchor head and position the anchor head with inserted drive steel tip above the HPTRM at the drive location. Using a percussion hammer, drive the anchor through the pier mat into the ground perpendicular to the slope surface. Continue driving until the desired embedment depth is reached. Remove the drive steel from the ground. Depending on soil conditions, this may require the use of a jack-jaw or other leverage device. Slide the load-bearing plate down the cable tendon towards the pier mat using your hands. Once the plate makes contact with the pier mat, place the jack-jaw setting tool on top of the anchor plate and place the top of the anchor tendon into the grips, keeping the anchor tendon taut. Press down on the jack-jaw lever towards the slope surface, pulling the anchor cable out of the ground. During this step, the anchor head will rotate perpendicularly in the ground, a process known as anchor setting. Depending on the soil type and condition, this step may need to be repeated more than once. When the anchor is set, there will be a noticeable change in the amount of force needed to displace the anchor tendon further. This is a good indication that the anchor head is now rotated and the anchor is ready to be load locked. Typical anchor embedment depth can range from 3 to 12 feet based on soil conditions. To load lock an anchor, continue to apply tension to the anchor tendon using the jack-jaw setting tool. Once the anchor has been load locked, use cable cutters to remove the excess anchor cable so that it is flush to the load-bearing plate. For more information on installing the ArmorMax system, reference the installation guidelines and details available at propexglobal.com or contact Propex's engineering services team at 423-553-2465.
Scour Lock is a robust shoreline defense system designed to resist extreme hydraulic stresses and protect shorelines while promoting vegetation. Its patented design features rigid cells armored with the superior erosion control protection of Puramat, high-performance turf reinforcement mat, and the separation capabilities of GeoTech's non-woven geotextile. Each cell assembly can be articulated to accommodate a variety of landscapes.
We at Propex are very excited about this innovation that we've been bringing forth to the industry as of late. Traditional hard armor solutions require imported materials like rock and concrete, where the Scour Lock baskets there can be filled with in-situ soils or soils that are on site, eliminating that need for transportation and transportation costs. So utilizing Scour Lock on your projects is going to allow you to complete the project at significant time savings, cost savings, as well as improved extended performance.
Scour Lock improves the function of traditional hard armoring solutions by incorporating the vegetated benefits of an engineered earth armoring solution. The unique design of the Puramat HPTRM helps lock seeds in place to promote rapid root mass development, while GeoTech provides unparalleled hydraulic flow and soil retention to support sediment control. Additionally, Puramat is fastened to the rigid cells to form vegetating pockets that can be filled with vegetative media to further promote and sustain plant growth.
The fill material within the pocket promotes vegetation because it's highly organic. It allows you to mix seed in with the mixture as well, so that once rains come or high flows in the stream that hydrate the actual media. Scour Lock is more innovative because it provides all the benefits of a heavy armor, hard armor system, but it provides the ability for it to be vegetated and become a green wall and essentially disappear into the bank and look more natural.
Scour Lock is shipped pre-assembled and delivered on pallets for fast and easy installation. Each unit includes 5 cells and is 15 feet long. Units can be deployed by hand or using construction equipment. Cells can easily be connected to accommodate projects of any size. Once the unit is placed, the individual cells can be filled with in-situ soils, eliminating the cost of importing fill material to the job site. The cells can also be filled with stone, gravel, or dredge in coastal applications. Overall, you can expect Scour Lock's installation cost to be up to 50% less than alternative hard armoring solutions. Scour Lock can also be combined with other Propex engineered earth solutions, such as ArmorMax and Puramat, to optimize design. Scour Lock can be used to protect stream banks, lake and pond banks, canals, coastlines, or even to create artificial islands. It can also be installed above or below the waterline to fully armor the entire shoreline. In any aquatic application, Scour Lock will help to enhance an environment's water quality by increasing pollutant and nutrient removal. Plus, by offering a vegetated solution, it'll reduce thermal pollution and protect aquatic life.